Hi, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. Today's tech tip is about Team Dynamix. Some of you may know that Team Dynamix is our IT service ticket system, but did you know that it also holds our knowledge base, a system of help articles available for you to read and explore at any time? To get to the knowledge base, start on our IT webpage at csumb.edu/IT. Click on Services and then on Knowledge Base. Here, you can explore any of the 19 categories listed. They include everything from information on accounts and access to our latest IT newsletter. You can also search by using the search bar at the top of Team Dynamix. Pro tip: explore the knowledge base while logged into your CSUMB account to get access to all articles, as some are not listed as available to the public. Didn't find what you were looking for? Suggest a topic by clicking on Services, then scrolling down and clicking on the Additional Services category. At the bottom of Additional Services, click on Knowledge Base Topic Suggestion, and then on the Submit IT Ticket button to let us know what topics we are missing. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at csumb_IT.